Hello, hello, hello. Just one of those who have been observing. I don't know if some of you have been monitoring the work that's been done by Sister Seabrooks and our brother Peck here, who's the brother of my classmate. So we consider that he was one of the ones we brought up under us.
Okay.
But anyway, the work that is being done, we can't let that go unseen, not thought of, and not make some remarks about it.
Okay.
This is history.
Okay, and you are?
I am Archbishop Dr. Anthony Webster. I'm the Vice President of the class of 1964, and the class with class. So we are very much involved in some things ourselves, but the projects that I have been following with the restoration of cemeteries and really what I call capturing of our ancestral history. And it's very important. And I'm giving a shout out first, commending those individuals that I have seen, especially the restoration, cemetery restoration project. Sister Seabrooks, a shout out to you. And our brother Peck, shout out to you. And we ask that you can not only continue to do what you're doing, but spread the network. Let people know what you're doing. I think some of the media you're using now is an effective means of doing it. And I commit within our class, and I think every one of the previous Howard Academy classes, we should begin to bring this subject up in our class meetings, sharing with, because all of us, guess what? We have members in this cemetery somewhere. And so I was just sharing with Brother Peck, the credibility of a man is reflected in how he cared for his deceased. And so we want to show that pride and show how we have a concern about preservation and also have a real interest in our history. Shout out to all Howardites, and we're in the process right now of trying to bring that body back together as an effective means of social media, so that we can do some of the same things that and aid Sister Seabrooks and Brother Peck in some of the things that they're doing. Bless you.
Thank you very much for that. And let me mention my other colleague, Dr. Willard Boyer. He's our resident archaeologist at just a fountain of
shout out to him as well. Amen.
And the coach, you hear us referring to coaching that. He was the former coach of Lincoln High School, state championship coaches, and he's an Air Force veteran. And so he was there. But I'll tell you, if you would, just share out your video response and what you thought about the video.
The videos, number one, were very informative. Secondly, not only were they informative, if you really is Afrocentric at heart, it grabs you, and that got my attention because a lot of things that we sit around the house and think about has been people are putting them in place, and I was just sharing. If you're looking for some activities, some things to do that's very positive that will stay, and join us, because I've committed to Brother Peck as I talked to him. We're going to do more, and we're going to do it through the media and the organization of vehicles which we have. My fraternity, one of our oldest brothers is right there in Jefferson County, 99 years old, I believe, right now. Brother Pittman. Shout out to Phi Beta Sigma fraternity, and as I stand here today. But we want to do something for him in that regard. So there's so much that we can do, and not only can, we must do. And we cannot look for other people to take care of this for us, okay? God bless you, and God keep you.
Thank you, Brother Webster, for that illustrious praise. Okay, thank you. And I will post this up on page tonight, and thank you very much. And you should be able to post photos and things on that.
We will, and
page.
we will.
Okay.
We're looking forward to using your social media.
All right. Thank you very much. And I'm going to say to those who want to contact us, just go ahead, email us, respond to a post, and we'll pick up your comments from there and make contact when we can.
Thank you.